and welcome to another episode of GNS Miniatures. So as you guys can see, today we are talking about the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Now this is a 1:18 scale model made by Solido. Now this is the Bayside Blue version of the Skyline GTR. This has been very popular because this was the model that was basically featured on Fast and the Furious, and the Bayside Blue has been so popular among collectors. Now Solido has released another version of this particular car, which everyone has gone crazy over. So we just received our model of the new Skyline GTR R34 in midnight purple. Now let's take this model out and see what all this fuss is about. Okay, so here is the model, and this is the pack that comes with the model. So you get the two side mirrors and you get this water slide decal set in it, which has all these stickers. So this was basically available with the Bayside Blue as well. And let's cut this strip open and then take a closer look at this model. This is a beautiful model, beautiful casting, same as the Bayside Blue. The paint is different on this, the midnight purple, and then we have the Nismo wheels. The wheels are different to the Bayside Blue car. Now you can see there's the Nismo decal there, and if you take a closer look at the wheel nuts, even the tiny wheel nuts are replicated. That's amazing on a model car at this price point. You can see the brake calipers in the back and the Rambo brake caliper in the front as well with that detailing. So that's a really nice detail. You got the decal there as well, and then the front, the GTR badge there, and then you have the front splitter there. We have good details on the windshield wipers, clear glass. The side mirrors do come separately. You have to attach the side mirrors on it. Let's open the doors. Okay. So you have a bit of dust, but you get details there for the shutters. You get a nice meter cluster, details on the steering wheel and the dashboard there. The pedals, of course, you don't get any carpeting on this, but it's black, and then you get, can't see that, the seat detail is really good. Doors shut nicely, nice shut lines there on the doors. Now they do have a small gap there, which I think should have been looked better, nicer. Yep. And the rear lights look nice. So that's the rear fog lamp, that's the reverse light indicators. Nice. Now these are all decals. That's painted on decal as well. Got the rear windshield wiper, the speakers, the seat detail there. I think overall this is a really nice model. And then you've got carbon fiber, sort of a separate piece for the spoiler as well. So overall this is detailed very nicely, and even the Skyline detail is engraved there on the rear bumper. So those are nice details, even though the boot lid and the bonnet does not open on this Solido model. Okay, so now let's take a look at the photo shoot that we did with these two beautiful models. Hope you guys liked the photo shoot of these two beautiful cars and enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when we upload new videos. Also like us on Facebook and Instagram, and see you guys later with another video review of a model car. Thank you and bye-bye.